platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I, Professor Harsh Tripathi, Assistant Professor of Accountancy and Commerce at Srimati MP Patel College of Commerce and Center for Professional Courses, Kadi. Today I present International Financial Institution, which is World Bank, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, AMCOM Semester 3. Let's start. World Bank. The World Bank is an international financial institution that provides financial and technical assistance to developing countries for development programs. The headquarters of World Bank in Washington DC, United States of America, and also more than 100 countries offices. Establishment of World Bank in July 1st, 1944 during the conference of 44 countries in Bretton Woods. The mission of World Bank is to reduce poverty in the world and improve the standard of living in all over the globe. World Bank provides low interest loans, interest free credits, and grants. Grant means the grants are designed to facilitate development projects by encouraging innovation, cooperation between organization and local stakeholders participation in projects to developing countries. These loans are for education, health, infrastructure, communication, and many other purposes. Unlike the other financial institutions, World Bank does not operate for profit. The objectives and functions of World Bank to provide assistance to developing countries, to promote economical development of the world poorer countries, finance the poorest developing countries whose per capita gross national product is less than $865 in a year. Special financial assistance through the International Development Association. The bank offered two types of basic loans: investment loans and development policy loans. World Bank Association. The World Bank's two closely affiliated entities, which are the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD) and International Development Association (IDA). In addition to IBRD and IDA, three other institutions are closely associated with World Bank: the International Financial Corporation (IFC), the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency (MIGA), and the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes (ICSID). All five of these institutions together make up the World Bank Group. World Bank focuses on achievement of Millennium Development Goals that call for elimination of poverty and sustainable development in all over the globe. The Millennium Development Goals based on these five factors: build a capacity, infrastructural creation, development of financial system, combating corruption, research consultancy and training development. Organizational structure of World Bank. The World Bank is like a cooperative where its 184 member countries are shareholders. The shareholders are represented by Board of Governors, who are ultimately policymaker at the World Bank. The governors are member countries' Minister of Finance and Minister of Development. They meet once in a year at the annual meetings of Board of Directors of World Bank Group and the International Monetary Fund. Because of the governors only meet annually, they delegate specific duty to 24 executive directors whose work on site at the World Bank. The five largest shareholders: France, Germany, Japan, United Kingdom, and United States of America appoint an executive directors. The other member countries are represented by 19 executive directors. The president is elected by the Board of Governors for the 5-year renewable term. The executive director makes the board of directors of the World Bank normally meet at least twice in a week to oversee the bank's business, including approval of loans, approve guarantees, new policies, and country assistance strategies and borrowing and financial decisions. The World Bank operates day to day under the leadership and direction of the president, management and senior staff, and vice president in charge of regions, sectors, networks, and functions. Thank you very much, students. Keep learning, keep motivate yourself.